A quick introduction to the ingredients. Oh my god, the poto is just too much, guys. I can't come and kill myself. Okay, let's take a bite. Hey COB team, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are making a special recipe. Yes, you heard me right. Let me take you through the ingredients. Let's take a quick introduction to the ingredients. Here it's tatashi. This is shombo pepper. This is 2 species, green and red pepper. In here is onion, cloves of garlic and ginger. This is curry powder, thyme, and some seasoning cubes. This is the protein. This is bay leaf, and this is garlic chive. This is garlic chive. Very, very good. And here is the almighty pawpaw, and this is salt. That will be all for now. Okay, sorry. And here is vegetable oil. That will be all for now, guys. Let's get prepping. Blending time. Just throw everything in your blender except for your pawpaw, then add a little water for easy blending and send it to your blender to just crush everything. You may not need to blend it so smooth so that the splashing while frying would not be too much, okay? Because definitely the pawpaw will be very, very smooth as it doesn't have fiber. So I am done with this, and I left a little quantity in the blender so that I can use it for the pawpaw. All right, so here you just quickly cut your pawpaw, clean it up, and then get it ready for blending. I had to remove some portion for eating, just like this. So I removed this and sent it to the fridge. And yeah, who they work they chop, so I had to just put this one in my mouth, the small portion you saw me cut out, just to chill my throat while I'm working. Okay, so this is the quantity that I used for this stew. You just chop them into pieces and throw it straight into the blender, and it will be ready for blending. I added another little quantity of water to add to the puree of the pepper and other meats that was left in there, and that was all the water that was added to this stew, guys. Just be very observant as you watch. I didn't add any other water. So got the oil heated, and then not so much heated though, just a little bit heated so that the splashing doesn't start immediately. And then I just poured in the first meat, that's the pepper, every other thing, and then next is the pawpaw. Can you see how smooth the pawpaw puree is? So I just introduced the pawpaw, and at this point I'm just going to cover it and allow it to start boiling. This is more like cook frying. It's not like frying, so it's a cook frying. And like I said, the water content of the pawpaw and the little that was added while blending will just need to get dry, because you know 70% of what pawpaw content is water. So to that I added some little thyme and then curry powder, and that will be all for now. You can also notice the level of vegetable oil. It is just, you know, over the level of the pawpaw and pepper and other meats, so you have to put a lot of oil so that the poto rain Okay, that's the splashing. Will be a little bit less. And this is one problem that you will notice here. It keeps making you to cover the pots every now and then. Okay, so right there I just threw in some seasoning cubes and then some bay leaves, and I'm coming in with the protein. Just see the way I'm doing this, covering and opening, because the splashing was too much. It was just making a mess of my wall and the floor, but that's okay. It's worth it because this stew, it's very healthy and delicious, guys. Okay, so just keep stirring and cooking to get the water dry. You see the level now. I just introduced some salt. And yeah, that's a little stock that came out from steaming my protein. Yeah. So there you have me introduce the green pepper. Dilly yummy stew. You see how beautiful it's looking. At this point I had to turn off the flame so that I can have some peace to turn this thing up back without pot everywhere. Okay, so I put off the flame to turn it, and I will add the final ingredients after now. So this is me coming in with the garlic chive. Very medicinal, very flavorful, so nice in your stews. If you haven't tried this herb, please go ahead and try it. Okay, so I just put off the flame. This stew is done, guys. Do not just take my words for it. If you haven't tried it before, please go and try it. No one, I mean absolutely no one, believed that there was no tomato in this stew. It was so yummy. It was so demanding. Everyone was like gushing. Oh my god, what? And you know, pawpaw is kind of sugary or sweet. In fact, this is very delicious. Just go and try it. And here is me having a small taste after cooking before the main meal. Before the main savoring. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me that honor of being a member of this channel. Kindly tap the red subscribe button below this video, like, comment and share this video. Let me know where you're watching me from. See you in another one. Bye bye.